So hello everyone, we are here to create a GitHub account for today from KLSVDIT. So if you want to create a GitHub account, you require an email ID which is having a domain name of your college or of your institution. So almost everyone is being provided with a Gmail ID which is having an extension of klsvdit.edu.in with that domain name. So you need to have an active Gmail account with the domain name, and then you can create your GitHub account. So if you have this domain name email IDs active, it's well and good. If not, just check out how you have to activate it. So almost all are provided with the Gmail account. So we just log in into Gmail. You are being provided with the account name by your counselor, so you can meet your counselors if you do not have it. So I just click on sign in of Google, and so here we have created a demo piece, that is github@klsvdit.edu.in. So here you will be having your name. So just replace this with your name, and next, just click on next, and then it is asking you for password. By default, password will be small letters VDIT @123, and just click on next. Okay, so you have certain conditions, terms and conditions of your Google as usual. You just accept it, and it will ask you to create a new password. So this is a password that you want to create, and create it quite strong like your Gmail passwords, and you cannot reset it later. So please create the password and confirm it over here so that you will be having a different password. So I give some other passwords. Okay, yeah, I give this password. Yeah, okay, I say test change. Yeah, they are not matching, so yeah, change it. So I'll just say no. So the moment you change, just remember those passwords, and you can use it later. Yeah, so your Gmail account is ready. Yeah, got it. Your Gmail account is ready. So next, what you need to do is just go to the next tab, open Google, just type it as GitHub. Okay, sorry, it was GitHub. The first link that you get, that is GitHubcom, where the world builds the software. Just go to that. So you have the GitHub.com. So you need to sign up for GitHub, or you have sign in over here and sign up over here. Both the things are valid. Either you can use this sign up or this sign up, all are same. So I just click on sign up. Yeah, it is asking me for a unique name of yours. So whatever name you want to give, you can give here. So if I give some example as, like, if I name as Nandita, if I say, so you can see here, Nandita is not available, right? So Nandita glitch, Nandita AFK, or all these things are available, but Nandita is not available. So you just give a username which is available. Okay, anything unique that you can have. So I'm giving it as KLS VDIT. Okay, so KLS VDIT is available, directly available. So if you do not have an available username, you can make use of numbers. So it's asking me for email address, so I give it as github@klsvdit.edu.in. Okay, so I have this account open and active. because you need to just verify the things. That's the reason you require. I set a password. You can have the same password or you can use the separate password, no issues. But just the thing is that you have to remember. So you need email preferences. You need to send an occasional product updates, announcements, and offers. You just click this on so that you get all the contents from GitHub, so that all the informations are there. So you need to solve a puzzle before you create a password. So solve this puzzle so we know you are a real person. So this is just a verification. So you need to pick up a dice pairing up to 5. So you can have this, I mean, just solve that particular puzzle so that you can create a um, complete account. So fourth one is done, and lastly your fifth one is also done. So if you have done a proper thing, then only your account will be verified. So next I just click on is create account. So it's just creating my account. So welcome to GitHub. This is how you get. So you have joined millions of developers who were doing their best work on the GitHub. So what are you interested in? You need to give their information. So what kind of work do you do mainly? Just select what kind of a work do you do mainly. So right now you are a student, so just click on student. Next, how much programming experience do you have? Probably like you had a moderate amount of a person who is having a programming experience. I feel it's moderate, so you can just click on moderate. If you know little, you can go for little, or if you are a very expertise, you can go for a lot also. So what do you plan to use GitHub for? Why you want to use this GitHub for? You need to select, you can select any three amongst them. So you can see here, select up to three. So we feel that like you need to learn it how to code. So learn what is Git and GitHub, not required. If you want to host a project or a repository, like if you have your project which is done and you want to host it and show it to the world, then you can host a project or create a website. um, or if you are interested in collaborating with your team or find and contribute to the open source or school and student projects if you want, or use GitHub APIs or any other things if you want to. You can select of your choice, but I'm going to select these three. You can also leave a hosting, or you can select your web page designing also. So it is up to you which one you want to select. It's your interest. So what are you interested in? Next thing is that I'm interested in languages, different kind of languages. Just don't write it as languages, you can just name them. So if you know Java, see here, it works out, you can just say it as Java. You know JavaScript, so you know JavaScript. Then if you know Jenkins, so you can put in Jenkins. If you know C sharp, okay, so if you are interested in C sharp, you can or if you're interested in .NET, you can go for it, or any other frameworks if you're interested in. If you're interested in CLIs, that can be worked out, or any other languages or industry related things, or whatever like frameworks that you have, whatever you know or you are interested in building or you're interested in learning, that thing can be put over here and named over here. It will just list you. There is no limit. You can put in any many, I mean as many things as possible, and just say it as complete the setup. So once you complete the setup, you're almost done. So it's just telling you that please verify your email address. Now you can see that you have a drop in of your GitHub. So please verify your email address. Just click on it. So you are almost there. So at the rate KLSVDIT. So to complete this, just it is asking you to verify the email address. So this is once you click on it, so you are in. So next, I mean, you can see here it is you have signed in as KLSVDIT. This was my name, so whatever is your name you can change it. You have list of things. If you want to upgrade it, if you need any future previews, if you want to change your settings, you can change. If you want to put in your profile, update your profile more, like you want to add your photos and all, you can put it. Your repositories, if you are interested in uploading your projects, you can do it. Okay, so you can start using this. So it's required that you complete the work before your 25th, because 25th you have a workshop that will be conducted on GitHub. So using the same contents, you need to register to that particular workshop. So and on 30th you will be having your college-wise hackathon that you can participate in. So if you have cleared this hackathon in the college level, so you will go for national level, and from national level you will be going for international level. So you will be making use of same IDs for all the hackathons as well as workshops. So you just remember is on 25th you have a workshop, so you have to register using the same account. Okay, thank you, and all the best for your hackathons also if you're interested in registering. So this is how you register. Okay, so next you can go for creating a repository, organization, or start learning. If you're not interested, you can just skip it now and you can just start exploring your GitHub. Okay, so all the best for your hackathons on 30th if you participate. Thank you.